Okay, just a quick update on the status of the BLE Tracker project today. I was building the latest proto board and it was all looking very beautiful until somehow when I was installing this jumper resistor that goes across this trace, it got shorted. It shorted the gate here to the source of the DFN transistor that was part of the lithium-ion battery protection circuit. So I had to scrap that whole section. I had to put this little metal jumper across, so the protection circuit's no longer operational. Anyway, I was trying to rework it, so I was trying to remove that resistor to check to see what the short was, because I couldn't see anything from the top. It all looked fine, and it pulled the pad that goes right there that was attached to the base or the source of the transistor, and once that pad's gone, the DFN transistor's worthless, and everything here's worthless. So that was unfortunate. Other setback I had was right here. There is a 4.42 mega ohm resistor, and I did not order that for some reason. I don't have any 0402 resistors near that value. I'm going to try and finish this circuit with a 4.7 mega ohm 0805 that I do have, so we'll see how that works. This is a solar charge circuit. I haven't had a chance to test that yet. The battery protection circuit did work when I first tested it, but I didn't get a chance to test it with the charger. The charger did complete its testing, so I got that soldered in, and after I added that jumper, it of course has a ground, and that charged the battery no problem. I'm probably going to replace this entire section with an LTC 47 or 4071, and that is an MSOP package, so that will rid me of the two DFN transistors here, and this package, this QFN package, will be a lot easier to solder and has a lot less superfluous components. Get rid of these 0201s that I have here. So that'll free up a lot of space, and it should be easier to solder. I'm also planning to replace, here we have another DFN transistor. I did not realize they made SOT23s in smaller sizes, so I'm probably going to use a SOT23 in a 923F or a 723 package to replace these, a very small one, so that'll make the soldering a lot easier. I have to build 3 of these before the 17th for the best product competition on Hackaday, and that'll make getting these finished up a lot easier, getting rid of all those components. Now the final board I'm going to use is going to be from Flex PVC, so I'm probably going to add a second layer. This is only designed with all these jumper resistors, 00, so that it's easy to make here. But I'm going to probably replace those all with little traces and use the base as a ground plane to hopefully help with RF performance. And that'll be flexible, obviously, and this is slightly flexible being on such thin PVC, but it'll be a lot better. But you can see I had actually managed to solder all the difficult components, DFN, DFN transistors, this QFN. I had everything soldered on so nicely, and then all hell broke loose here, and I don't have that resistor. But otherwise, everything looks fine. I'm going to try and finish the section, like I said, and I'll measure it under varying light conditions to see how much current is flowing to and from the battery. That'll be a good metric to have. And of course I got to test this new buzzer. It's a lot smaller than the old one. You can see it takes about a quarter of the space. So we'll see how loud that is and how much current it draws. The only downside to using the LTC 4071 here is that has a current limit of 60 milliamps. So I believe this package here, this buzzer, is going to use more than that. So maybe if I build in some more decoupling capacitance, I'll still be able to pull it off. But yeah, that'll replace the charger and the battery protection IC, so we'll see how that goes. And of course, there's the long-range BLE module, the BLE 121L low energy that goes here. So that's the update for today. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks. Bye.